Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Joe. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, you now know where for the subscribe, because I know some people don't know. You know, say we not feel know everything finish. And some people not really know where for the subscribe. Now that red line we just did there, that red line where they just write subscribe. Now there you just press macan, it will just show so you don't subscribe. You understand? And that small bell where they there. Now that bell you go just press. So that if I put any video, they will give you notice. Say I don't need to send that to you again. They'll give you notice. Say I put video, and I be that bell. You understand? So what would they do and JJJ? What would they support each other? So thank you everybody. So this topic today, now for one of our sister, you know, all those we must build us for Nigeria. We must do things for Nigeria. You know. So now be this topic. It don't take when I want to talk this story, you know. But I'll just see. I just do one or two things ever since, you know. But this my lady just say, man, use and take give people advice because there's nothing to do again, you know. The deal has been done. I understand, my people. I know say me na broke now the flow pass for my mouth. Oh, mona no verse, mona take the way, mona take me the way una see am, mona take me as una sister, as una friend, as una everything. Anyone when I use mona understand that more. So she say she come there because before she come up for Africa, na family wey be say they suffer. Na family wey be say they really suffer, you know. So as she come, because of that suffer, the papa can't die. You can say so if mama really suffer, where follow them. So because of that one, not the use the mama they play, you know. So he say he can't really like make sure say in try by all mistake be say any money wey they get, they go they give him mama. Anything wey they get, they go they give him mama. You know, I bet for now hear any sound there now people with the same message, you know. No say na phone that they use. So he says so you can because of that suffer when mama suffer, you go make sure say they give him mama money when he enter Europe. You go they send money. This girl that person will be say she really get luck when she just come. Or you buy a pan, you they give her money. Money what they talk so don't be small money. Oh, she go send and mama able tell her say no they build that way for her, you know, and they take care of her mama. Oh, apart from the one where they give mama say take build that for me, take do this one for me. But she they that people will be say they really take care of her mama, saying they send money and they give him mama. If mama go they pray for her, all those things, you know. But if they really send money and Oyibo, if this girl not person way they send the money for you, and then go fit talk how much where this girl they send. Oyibo don't give this girl 30,000 euro. Give am big money, you know. This girl they send. My everything say don't buy land, they don't buy many lands. Wait for them, they don't build that, you know. Why they talk this topic? Won't be everything what they show now for Nigeria, and I be true to Sunday lie, 9 minutes pass. So go snap on that person, they will show you. You understand? He says so he can really happy say man they do things way for her. So you can tell him, mama say he go like to do documents so that make you come Nigeria. Mama say make you not come more. What do you want to do? You want to make them kill you? You know, so now let you want to be picky where you get for abroad though. I beg. He say he go see stay, he not go do documents. He says so if you say you want to do documents, mama go say make you not do. Make you not do what you want to do documents for. This that. He say go see really stay like that. You know go see really do. So now he call the tell one of her friend one day say, be people in go see where his friends go they tell him mama say then they come Nigeria, their mama go they happy. But you know, him go say may he not come, may he not come. This that. Now one day, one of her friends come advise her say you know what you go do? You lie, say you they come Nigeria. Just lie to your mama, say you they come Nigeria. Me you see whether she go tell her say you don't already do document, you they come Nigeria. You don't get a document to come now. You know? So me you see what she go do. Or just tell her say you don't do Nigeria. So one for the two. Say make they come pick you. I say okay. Then they can't tell him mama say in the come Nigeria, we don't do documents, we don't go buy tickets already. say phone just fall for my hand. Heart attack immediately just hold mama. You call they say hello. You dey hear me, mama? You dey hear me? Man no go talk again. You dey hear me? Man no go talk again. So now from there, now you can tell he brother, another brother, now come pick phone say, mama don't faint. What do you tell him? He say not tell him anything. He only tell him say he want come Nigeria. Now what he tell him? He not tell him another thing. He said that they go carry and go hospital. As they carry the woman go hospital, like play, she go wake up now. The next day they say she don't enter coma. She go wake up now. She go wake up now. She go wake up now and then do before they know what they happen. Your mama don't die. Your mama just die. All because the pikin tell and say they come Nigeria. What did they happen? What did make this woman die? And they come find out later say he no save anything wait for a pikin. All the money where pikin they send can't give and say make it keep. If they like to pikin say they keep her. They say she can't get boyfriend. She can't get small boy where they spend money for. He can't they pack all the money they give that boy. He not even do anything wait for a pikin. That one can say since his mama don't die now. You can't tell his brother say the house where mama show me say in build we say rent day. So when you go put rent for the down one since now 4 flat. You say now they get now brother and say which house? You never see any house. So mama they build house wait for you. For where? Which area? Say cause I bought they build house. He show me come show him. Now I don't say though. You don't see any house like this. This house now somebody own. You don't see any house like this. Say mama build house wait for you. What about account? You say 1 naira more their account. What about the land when they say buy? He say not see any land. It's only waiting you know say 200,000 then they account. So on that money, you know that you get another money or you don't get another money. And from there they get faint. This girl faint. The thing don't tell when they happen. This girl faint. When they say somebody faint, he die, wake up. She cry. What do you want to do? He cry blood, they swear for mama. They do this. My person where they swear for already die. You know? So he say because of that thing, the girl, she nearly faint, she nearly die. She can't think every day. Food do not feel eat again. The person where they help and send money, never ever they say, what if mama do this girl? If not being they send this money, if it was in a lie. Now in the help and they send all those money, everything. So mama, I don't know. Especially all those ones who say they don't do husband ass. Some of them. They will come carry small boy. Whether they say that they sleep, they see money for Europe here. Me, I don't really know. Whether they feel say that they pluck money for here. Don't they pluck money for Europe? Now Europe people suffer. Now they suffer they pass. Africa suffer not there now. Europe will be say you go wake up in the morning, they go work. Cold. It's like cold. You run, they go work. And you must go. What do you tell your guy? You tell us you don't go work. For where? You want to wake up in the morning like this, the guy cold go fair embrace you. You go hear and forward. You go know say na cold embrace you. Let say it's easy for Europe or the way people they think am. That make you send money go give them. If you say the money is too small, they don't know suffer where they here na cause. They don't know. They don't know say you get expenses. They don't know say you get what you go do with your whole time. They say maybe now just if you just go give them one money like this song, you'll give them 50 euro. The time when again one of my friends, that when she never enter Europe, when she did Nigeria, I can't send money go give her 50 euro. She can't look the money, say the money too small. You know, like 2 days happy. When she can't come Europe, now I can say, that's so it be. Now say no. You be say, now you know the value. She said, Mr. Nana, you know the value of that 50 euro when I say go give her that time. You know, no say suffer they Europe like this. Suffer, it dey Europe. If they say that any money can't give on for that, one of the reasons they do something with for them. One of the shop I'm again. It's not easy for Europe. That girl, because of that thing, up till today, she see the reason that thing. Those money when the mama waste for her. You know, because of that thing, she see the hustle. He never see rest for hustle. As I tell you so. This guy not be from picking again. But he say he must make sure say he do something. For say, advice when me get for many people will be say they not say want to do something for Nigeria. Gather your money by yourself. If you go Nigeria, build the house by yourself. After all, so many of us for year now Europe with it. So many you're picking up they go to Nigeria, go carry the house. Now Europe here, now they go stay. Some of them I know some they go still go Nigeria. But gather your money by yourself, build your house by yourself. No wait me anybody build that for you. Some they will lie to you, finish you, they send money. When at the end go reach, they will now that you go hear when. That time you go know say water it don't pass Gary. What do you go do? Suppose if the get mama they alive, you will kill him, your ma. You don't kill him. You don't go kill him, ma. But you say you don't go call him again, you know send money again. But you don't go kill him. What do you go do? That heart attack we begin to tell us in they come, now just kill this woman. So Niger people, now most of people with the Europe here, now they talk to. My dear, if you know say anybody they do anything for you for Nigeria now, try make sure say you confirm. Try or not be said or go send another person can't give you. You got the visit at your house, you put up for there. At the end go reach now, you say nothing, they there. So mona try, mona make sure say una by yourself. Go down Nigeria if you want to build that. Make sure say you don't gather your money by yourself. Where you do want to reach, come back. Come back. If you don't see reach, tell them they stop. Later you see go back and go finish them. Then when you take give one person money, go they eat them for you. You dey here. You know if you do anything for yourself or because of Niger. You know go fit even tell them they put money for your account. All them. My dear people, this one are just advice to people with the Europe here and Niger people. They know they sleep. Niger, this one are for now. They know they sleep. They see money for Europe. They know they pluck them. You suffer for it before they give you. Even the one also shall they give you. They say you just eat and they sleep for a house. Lie. They say they stress you put. They say they make sure say you suffer for that money. You just say they just give you money. You just stay SARS. Not be only stay SARS. Who is SARS? You must go. They must make sure say they use and they tire you. So that means you go find work safe. If you don't know, and they say because person just they where they give person money, then the person they pack them. Nah lie. You know they pack them. You must suffer for it before you get the money. So thank you everybody. So now just this more advice I say make I give our brothers and sisters, you know. When I take me as a friend or as a sister, I don't talk anything bad though. So who get here, make it yeah. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye and share this video for me. So anything you wanna think for this topic, wanna drop on a comment. I go to see them. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. And don't forget to give me thumbs up. Always put thumbs up for me. It's not easy. And if you watch this video, settle down, listen well before you drop your comment to settle down, listen well and not fast forward down. Just try and listen well so that make this topic, make this story, make it enter your head very, very well. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. Remember your one and only Lady J. Bye.